Okay, this is my badass documentary on how to make buttersquash ice cream. Here I have put a random amount of cinnamon, ginger, and some other thing I didn't know what it was. I mashed it with my mind. I stared at them until they blended. Then I've put in some coconut flour. I'm gonna put some water in and make some spicy coconut milk. Here I'm boiling up some butternut squash. Maybe it's boiled already. And when that's ready, blend all of that together with some maple syrup, and boom bada boom. I'm gonna have some butternut squash ice cream. Oh wait, no, I have to freeze it. Boom bada boom, freeze it. Freeze boom bada boom. Okay, so I have put the chops of boiled butternut squash. I boiled it, softened it, and I put it in my mix. Spoiler alert, don't do that. Wait for it to cool down. I didn't wait for it to cool down. It's only like my third time ever making vegan ice cream, so I make mistakes, but it's okay because nothing's real. So now I have put the mix. I put in 2/3 of the mix into this here. Then I put a third of the mix, mixed with more water, blended it again, put it in here. So the only problem is that it's hot enough. It's plastic, so I hope this doesn't poison me. Do I put this in the freezer now, or do I leave it out and cool down and put it in the freezer? I actually don't know. I think I'll leave it out for 30 minutes and then put it in the freezer. Does that make sense? Or is that slower than just putting it in the freezer? Is anything... Wow. Making ice cream is harder than I thought. Oh, there we go. Peanut butter squash mush. It's refreshing, it's tasty, it's spicy. Mario ice cream. Best of sorbet. Cool.